Arutwo aya aria ni a University ya Kenyatta hamwe na University ya Southeastern kugerera atongoria ao ni mamenereirie itua ria kamiti iria irugameire githomo kia university ria gukanja kothi 133 undu uria utumite marigwo ni atia megwika kuona amwe ao ni mareketie kuhubwo thumbi cia kothi icio.
I'm very disappointed. Some of the universities are offering courses that are not authorized, and finally they left our comrade with the questions that are answerable.
Arutwo aya ni maugite itua riu ria tuirwo matekukuruhanio na ni ritanyite kuhutia na njira nene miturire ya athomi aingi aria mareketie thukuru kuona gitumi giki kiahota gutuma mage mawira.
We are here to say that we are going to relent this war, and actually we are going to support our comrade.
Ningi ni moretie thirikari kurihira arutwo aria mathomete kothi cio bithi niguo mathome kothi ingi iria cietikiritio ni thirikari.
Let the government offer these comrades the useful course immediately after the comrades have graduated with the said useless degree. Let the government pay everything, including tuition, accommodation, and pocket money. This is because the help is forcing now these students who have already completed their undergraduate degrees to start off paying the amount they had been loaned.
Gukiria uguo ni mwigite ni mekurwira ihoto ciao na makoria nyitite mingurani thiini wa ruhonge rwa githomo mamanyite mbaru. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njahĩra Wanjeri.